Hello everyone, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best automatic water fountain on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Gyno-Hun automatic water fountain and what makes it special. Let's get started. Product features. Large 2-liter capacity. The fountain holds up to 2 liters of water, providing a steady supply for 4 to 6 days, so your pet stays hydrated without constant refilling. Easy detachable design. Its detachable structure makes it simple to disassemble, clean, and replace parts, ensuring long-term convenience and hygiene. Triple filtration system. Activated carbon, a cotton layer, and a sponge filter work together to remove impurities, soften water, and keep it tasting fresh. LED water level indicator. A translucent tank with a built-in LED light lets you check water levels effortlessly while helping pets find the fountain at night. Ultra-quiet pump under 30 decibels. With noise levels below 30 decibels, the pump runs silently, making it ideal for light sleepers and noise-sensitive pets. Low power consumption. Using only 1.5 watts of power, the fountain consumes about 1 unit of electricity per month, keeping it energy efficient and cost-friendly. 2 adjustable flow modes. Choose between faucet and fountain-style water flow to match your pet's natural drinking habits and encourage healthy hydration. Pros: large 2-liter tank reduces frequent refilling. Triple filtration keeps water clean and fresh. Quiet pump ideal for peaceful homes. LED indicator improves night visibility. Easy to clean and maintain. Adjustable water modes suit picky drinkers. Energy efficient and eco-friendly. Cons: filters need replacement every few weeks. Pump requires periodic cleaning. LED light may be too bright for some dark rooms. Final thoughts. The Gyno-Hun automatic water fountain is a smart, practical solution for maintaining your pet's hydration. Its large capacity, quiet performance, and advanced filtration system make daily pet care easier and healthier. With adjustable flow modes and energy-efficient operation, it's a reliable companion for any pet-loving home. This fountain truly makes pet care effortless. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more helpful product reviews.